gotta hit your brakes. Just keep going. No brakes needed. All right, we can let this person out. Hit brakes. There you go. Stop. Perfect. All right, obviously. Whatever. Keep going. Nobody cares about that person behind us. They're in a rush. They'll be okay. Alright, this is looking good. Just like Fortnite. This is easy. You can go a little faster. You got 30. The speed limit is 30. You're doing 19. Let's see you go to 30. Right, made it to 30. Oh, man. Feels like something you can control. Nice. Alright, doing 34, slow it down. Time to start slowing down. Brakes. Punch buggy, no punchbacks. Great.
Look, I'm driving too.
Yeah. Alright, signal light. That was a good stop. Did you look that way? Alright, let's get it. Gas when you turn a little bit. A little gas. Alright. So when you turn, it's alright to hit some gas a little bit. We'll try it on this turn. But we can't be speeding when we're going into the turn. So we slow down, then when we're getting into the turn, we can hit some gas. Alright, turn. Just like that. Alright, I'll take it. I'll take it. It's safe for me to let my window down and cruise. Stop sign, complete stop. That's what they're gonna look for. Nice. Signal light. Might want to inch up a little bit so we can see what's around the corner. When we see around the corner, we gotta stop so we can see. Be too late. Pop, smack. That smells like popcorn. They say it smells like popcorn when you're about to die. Alright, yep, this guy's gonna yield and let us go. Okay, perfect. Alright. Get on the road. You all on the side of the thing. All right. It's a right, a left, and then a right again, and then we can go. There we go. All right. Yeah, a little gas into the turn. I like it. That was an A+ turn. I like that one. All right. Got to split some cars. I would say no more than 25 in here. Ah, I'm scared. Right. My boy did it, driving us home. YouTube, what's up? It's your boy King Spade, and it's my son CP2 CJ. He was just driving the Challenger home. Don't know how he's gonna. We're gonna see how his park game is. I'm scared. I'm so scared. Keep going over. Keep going over. Okay, right. Okay. No, over there. He left me no space to get out, but it's okay. I can get out. Yeah, my dog. What's up? Yo, follow me. Hit the like button. Subscribe. We got plenty of other people to, gonna drive the car and stuff. Like we still got Princeton, we still got Winter, we got some running. But right now, y'all follow my boy Rich Homie. Was it? Rich Homie 828. Rich Homie Quan 828 on Fortnite. Y'all follow me, Mog C-92.